So we are going to do this horizontal sextant angle question from chart 5056. So first let's read the question. Vessel anchored in Pool Bay observes the following compass bearings. So this vessel is anchored. It is observing compass bearings of anvil point light through 37 degrees compass. So by this we can find out. So we have been given bearing, which is compass bearing, and we have three bearings. Hard fast light is 264 degrees compass, and occulting WRG light is 302 degrees compass. We have to find the shift position and the compass error from this position and plan a passage to reach Berry Head Deep Sea Pilot Station if the vessel is drawing 18 meters. So the thing is that our ship's heading is also not given. So whenever three compass bearings are given and ship's heading is not given, we cannot convert these bearings into true and cannot plot on the chart. And on chart, we can plot only true bearings. So in this case, the only option left with us is horizontal sextant angle. We cannot do running fix or 3-point bearing because we cannot plot on the chart. So the only option left is horizontal sextant angle. So what do? We first find out the angles between horizontal sextant angle or angle between these bearings. So between anvil point and hard fast light, the angle is 264 minus 237, that is 27 degrees. So that is our horizontal sextant angle. And this is the case of case 1 where theta is less than 90. So we do 90 minus theta. So we get the base angle as 68 degrees. Then we have hard fast light, between hard fast light and occulting WRG light, that is 302 minus 264, that is 38 degrees. Again case 1, theta less than 90, so 90 minus theta, so we get base angle as 52 degrees. So we join these lighthouses and we join the first lighthouse and second lighthouse, and let's see how we plot. So we have this chart 5056 where we locate these lights, anvil point, hand fast point, this light, and occulting WRG light. So we can little bit zoom and see. So you can see anvil point on top of slight northeast, we have hand fast and occulting WRG light. Now let's see how we solve it. So I join the two lighthouses, anvil point, which is here, and we this hand fast, we join the straight line. And with this straight line, I put this protractor and I measure 63 degrees angle from here, from this line, baseline to 63 degrees. And same from the other side. So from anvil point, also I place this protector with this line and center at the lighthouse. And again, I measure 63 degrees and I mark the point and then I join the two lines. So you can see this, I just joined the lighthouses with single line like this before, and then I use the protractor. Then same thing between hard fast and occulting light, the line I put this protector as center and I mark 58 degrees from the from this. You can see we have put a mark here, 58 degrees from here. And wherever these lines are 52 degrees, sorry. So wherever these lines 52 degrees lines cut, this is occulting, and this one, both base angles are 52. Wherever these lines cut, that is our point C. So this is the measuring of the light. And then we take the radius from point C. This is for anvil point. So from point C to the lighthouse, we take the radius and we make a circle. So you can see wherever they cut. And this is how we make the circle for anvil point. And same way, we can see the circle is touching to the other light. That means the circle is correct because it's same way we measure for this occulting WRG light and make the circle, and wherever they cut, this is our fix. So once you measure this fix, you will get 2 degrees 51 west longitude and 59 degrees 39 minutes west latitude. Sorry, it's 1 degree 51 west and 50 degrees 39 minutes north, or 38.5 or something. Little bit error can be expected because of the plotting.